Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robin Zimmerman. We have two very special guests with us today to talk about an important event that will be happening on September the 30th for Parkinson's disease. We have Wayne Boutwell. He's the CEO of Encompass Health of Bluffton. And then we have Scott Ryder. And Scott is a Parkinson's Foundation, the Carolinas Parkinson's Foundation ambassador, and you'll also be the MC for the event. So welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
So let's dive in with, let's begin with the Carolinas Foundation. Tell us a little bit about the headquarters is in Raleigh. You're located in Beaufort. But what are some of the programs and services you all provide?
Well, the Carolinas chapter of the Parkinson's Foundation is headed by a lady named Deanna Parrish, who Wayne knows. And the foundation has ambassadors throughout the Carolinas that look for opportunities to help increase awareness about Parkinson's disease. Right. And that's exactly what this upcoming program is all about, is increasing awareness and specifically dealing with change. I'm a person with Parkinson's for 17 years, and there's a lot of change that takes place and change that people need to plan for.
Right. And you were saying during COVID, you had a virtual event. So this is really the first in-person event with veterans. And he had over 1,000 virtually, but on September the 30th, we're going to be at the Creative Church.
That's correct.
In Hardyville, right?
That's right. It'll
Wayne.
be on Saturday, September the 30th at the Creative Church. It's going to start at 10. It's going to end at 1:30 p.m. Attendance will be at no charge. We'll provide lunch. Also, we will focus on practical information and application for the Parkinson's patient, helping them to understand how the symptoms may progress over time, and also be discussing any new available strategies for managing those symptoms as well. And
who will be your speakers? Do you have physicians or?
We will have two physicians coming to present. We'll have a number of clinical experts. We really have an all-star lineup of people to come, and they'll be talking about things like adaptive tools and tips for managing activities of daily living, like dressing, eating, and bathing, and things like that.
So how did the two of you get together?
Well, the concept kind of originated from a project that I kind of spearheaded in my neighborhood, which is outside of Beaufort, a neighborhood called Habersham.
Yes.
And we built an adaptive house. Habersham has had the Southern Living Home of the Year, Coastal Living Home of the Year, and I came up with this idea, let's build an adaptive home. And adaptive takes on many different meanings, but it's a home designed specifically for the needs of the person that's going to live there, specifically aging in place. And there was so much interest in that. And then Wayne and I became acquainted because some of Wayne's staff has attended lots of Parkinson's Foundation outreach events.
That's right.
Renee Bannon specifically. So Renee worked to build a relationship and kind of put Wayne and I together, and Encompass Health has been incredible. There probably is no other organization in the Low Country that's moving forward as fast and as much detail as it relates to the Parkinson's community as Encompass.
Right, and we talked about that at your last interview, that this is a very important issue for you all at Encompass.
Absolutely. We had begun to realize that the Parkinson's community in Beaufort County was growing, and we were seeing more Parkinson's patients come through our inpatient rehabilitation hospital in Bluffton. And so we decided that we would build a program around the specific needs of the Parkinson's patients. And so now we have this program for patients who have Parkinson's, but who also need inpatient rehabilitation, where we can provide them with individual care plans to take care of their Parkinson's needs and to help them get back to a level of independence.
So the event on the 30th, is that for caregivers and patients, or what's your target audience? I
would suggest that it's anybody that has an interest in Parkinson's disease, whether it's a family member, a friend, a PWP, as we call them, a person with Parkinson's, care providers, caregivers. It's a wide variety. It's going to appeal to a broad spectrum of people.
And again, it is going to be a Creative Church in Hardyville, and you selected that church to partner with because it's all flat. So, and you can have over 150 people. You're expecting a good crowd.
We are. We're thinking somewhere in the neighborhood of 150 to 200 people in attendance is what the Parkinson's Foundation is estimating.
All right, and so to sign up, so is it free or do you pay?
No, attendance and registration is free. As I said, lunch will be provided, and if anyone is interested, they can log on to the Parkinson's Foundation website at parkinsons.org/lowcountry.
Very good. Thank you so much for coming, and I know you drove all the way over from Beaufort. Appreciate it. And Wayne, it's always good to see you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.